Yeah guys, morning. This morning, last week me posted a video, right? And between me and my wife. And be honest with you, Wednesday me there home, I pay child maintenance, because them take out child maintenance from the baby say 2 months old. You understand what I did, and me I pay the money. As you can see right now, I in the courthouse, me see. Yeah, nobody no come make up. Me just make no see what I want. You understand what I did? Me have all of my receipts in my pocket. You understand what I did? Me go CID about this already. You understand what I did? Me go CID and the police then look for my receipt them and say, Brown, all you do, you little money where you owe. You take time pay. And me say, that way lady downstairs tell me if you do, and that way me I do. You understand what I did? So me no see why them take out child maintenance and me I pay me money in the court. Oh, you hear what the lady tell me a while ago? In this system from what day? From other day, from when? And me I pay me money. Me I pay me money, and you hear what the police, them a CID tell me why she no stating on the receipt say balance is paying. She don't do that. You understand what I did? And I don't send nothing to she. So me glad she bring me back a court. And be honest with you know, the lawyer when I deal with I misread and me that sure certain things. You understand what I did? Because me start pay for me divorce and them things. Me have all my receipt them in my pocket. Start pay for me divorce and them things. You understand what I did? And she sister, my wife sister see me and I make trouble with me on road. And I go report it to she. And she turned to me and say she don't like Jamaican. So I go back to Mr. Pinnock. Because Mr. Pinnock who's the one send me to she. I go back to Mr. Pinnock. Talk to Mr. Pinnock. Maybe Mr. Pinnock know what I tell Mr. Pinnock, me not going back by she. I go take back my documents. I go take back my documents them and find a next lawyer. You understand what I did? And she must send a message come and say, I just finish pay the money and the divorce come through. What about my child? What about my child? Will you make arrangement as a lawyer to see me see my child? You make arrangement because you tell me that I'm ask she how much she charge for it, and she said she not take any money no for me go court 2021 the 30th of January. I don't go back to court. I don't hear nothing. Yo, boss, when I go see what I go and I have all of my documents, so anything they want to sort out, I have no problem. I want to see the judge too. Even chat, my wife then send to me, and when me go by the lawyer, I just be attitude straight. So into that, you know what me do? Me keep out. Call the secretary and tell them, hey, me don't want she do nothing for me. You understand what I did? We get a next lawyer and do me thing. Into that, I don't go there. Guys, when I go see what I go on in the video, I just want to watch the video and see what I go on. Yeah, I'm out. The court soon start. Court will start 9 o'clock. So after the court, when I go hear what I go on. Yeah. Yeah guys, for sure you what I go on. You see police come out, come tell me to lock off my camera. And at the same time, she sit down on the bench and video me. Even when she are going at the courtroom, she have the phone on. You can see the video. Guys, watch the video and look on the phone in her hand. I tell you guys, just be careful. Hear me I tell you, just be careful. Boss, I'm going to make you know the 100 and what I go on. Just watch the full video and listen. Guys, just look and see what I go on. Yeah guys, me not lie. Today me get locked up. You understand what I did? Me not lie if you tell you. I be like girl I tell in a code. If I come like say now, me not mind the picnic. You understand what I did? And watch her. All in the last month, the 31st of October, me go there. You understand what I did? And me and the little boy come back down here, and at the same time, she tell me, oh, me if you come back and she had come live. You understand what I did? Even in I court today, when me I try to explain myself to the judge, you just don't want to hear. You understand what I did? She don't want to hear when me I say, and watch. Alana is the one who tell me if you come look for your picnic. And the judge don't want to hear what me have to say, no, and watch. You see the lady when me I pay the money downstairs in the court, you know what she do? She tell me, oh, me fi take time and pay upon the raise. And yo, at that way me I do, you know, all of me receipt them when me pay upon the raise. She not even put in like when you the balance and you the right, you the right up the normal money where you pay and pay where you balance. She not do it, so she only put 250 only. You understand me? I did, and so she do. And put out warrant. She is the one who put out warrant. Even week before last, when me can money guy quotas, me tell her, I say, yo, me not no money right now for the race. So next time when me come back, me I go pay money for it. You understand me? I did way. Everything alright, and way me frightened Wednesday someone's come. Me not lie if you tell about. Yo, everything good. Even they lock me up today. Because watch her now. What they want me do? The judge asked me if me can pay $150 now. Me say right now, me have me fear. Me not have some money, me have me fear. I don't have no money. You understand me? I did. Me go get paid today. So Tuesday, when me not working, me go bring him money come at the courthouse. Me go bring him erase come at the courthouse. Oh, you want the money today? Me say, miss, me I get paid today. And what me I go do? Me I go pay the money Tuesday. Me I go come with the $150. And me say, matter of fact, you hear me? Right now, if you want me left and go for me pay and come pay $200 right now. You understand me? I did. She said, oh, me not talk about that. You want to know if me can pay money now. So yeah, when she asked me if me have any money in my pocket. So me say, yeah, me have me fear. You understand me? I did. So how much? Me say me have $10. $10 me telling say me have enough. Me fi give she me $10. Me say me nah give none. I see way me tell the judge say me nah give him anything you want do, you do. I don't care. Cause me I pay me money. You understand me? I did. But you see to shake up them be, yo, I just bad mind. You see too, they know me I do me thing, them bad mind, and that them a try if you do. Them a try if you stop me. So guess what me do now? Me don't pay none, me don't give none. And me tell him say, yo, anything where you want do you do. Oh, I gonna give you 1 week. Me say, me don't care. Anything where you want do you do. And he call up Alana and she talk, and then she call me up, and then she say, oh, he might go give me 1 week of prison. I'm saying, me no care. He might give me 1 week of prison if me no pay $300 by 3 o'clock. Me say, I don't care. And yo, me not lie if you tell you. Guys, me go make you see when the police them escort me, I can't me go in a station. Me go make you see. And then catch me a video them and they grab my phone and me lock off the camera. You understand me? So when I go see that liquor part there. Yeah guys, so what I do now? Yeah guys, so you see that liquor part when the 2 police tick one and one next one I walk side of me in the video them and they not even know what I'm going. But yo, me pay money because I could have give me $10 and walk out and carry $150 go pay. But me not lie, me will want to pay off that, me will want to pay off that. But guess what now, I go show you what I'm going. When me attacking I court because watch out. The same lawyer when I tell you about when he misreaded, family got court 2021, the 30th of January. Me no go back and I try to explain even to the judge and then I want to hear because what? We is a foreigner. And me don't tell you people say, yo, we don't know yourself. You hear me I tell you, a lot of them come here and I'm married to them and them think they me talk to them, but they no hear and enough of them in a shit right now. Me I tell you that. And we can call their name Jamaican, we said Jamaican, you understand me? I did. And them prefer to each up with them because them dunks to certain things. You understand me? I did. Me not lie if you tell you them dunks to certain things, me not lie if you tell you. Yo, but everything good still. You understand me? I did. Right now at $200 almost $70 me have left for them. And by a month me can give them the money. Me no busy with them. Then go along with them I go, you understand me? I did. Me no worry about them. Them a worry about me not worry about them. You understand me? Because they watch my lifestyle and I try to like they want to flap me. You understand me? And that them I try to do, but a good over evil. You understand me? Guys, me just want you watch out that video and see what I go on. You understand me? Me not lie if you tell you. Yeah, I'm out.